Hi everyone, in this video we are going to add mixed numbers. What are mixed numbers? Mixed numbers are numbers which are written in a way where we have a whole number attached to a pure fraction. Now adding these numbers are very tedious task because first we need to convert these numbers into pure fractions, which can be, for example, if we take just the first one, so we have to multiply the whole number with the denominator, so 3 2s are 6, and then we add the numerator, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So we have to follow this step for every number, and which seems tedious, it's clumsy also. So in this video I will show you how to add it in a quicker way, in a simple way. First we take all the whole numbers, which is 3 and then 4 and then 9. We add it separately, and then we add 1 by 2, 4 by 5 and 1 by 3, all the pure fractions. Now the first part is, if we add these numbers we get 16, and then we are left with the fractions, pure fractions. After adding these pure fractions, we get 49 by 30. And further, if we convert again this pure fraction into a mixed number, which is a combination of whole number and fractions, so it will be something like 1 30. So 31s are 30. What is left to make it 49? 19. So we'll put it here, 19. Again we have number which are whole numbers that can be added separately. So 16 plus 1 can be added, and then we have 19 by 30. So 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 19 by 30, or we can simply write 17 and 19 by 30, and that's the solution. So this is a simple way to add the mixed numbers.